Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I will be trying the 30-minute wash day challenge using 3 products from Naturalicious. It will be a 3-step process, so if you'd like to see if that's even possible, then just stay tuned. Before we begin, I would like for everyone to leave a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get into this video. Right, it's dreaded wash day, guys. I've had this braid out for a week, and now it's time to wash. Right here, my hair has been drenched in water and ready for the first step of this process. Since this is a 30-minute challenge, I am going to be timing this, and so I'm going to start the stopwatch at 30 and it's going to be counting down. The first step of this process is the Moroccan Rasoul 5-in-1 clay treatment. And when I first poured it out, I realized that it had the same texture as bentonite clay, so I was excited to use this product. Starting with damp hair, I'm going to take the clay and work it from root all the way to the tip, and I'm going to work it into my scalp and then eventually detangle once I've distributed the product evenly. This first step, the Rasoul clay treatment, is what's going to accelerate wash day. It does the work of 5 products. It's a detoxifying cleanser, a smoothing conditioner, an effortless detangler, and a deep conditioner, all while doing the work of a leave-in conditioner. Naturalicious claims this is a no-poo cleansing clay conditioner that is rich in silica, magnesium, potassium, and calcium, and leaves your hair unbelievably clean as it removes excess toxins, impurities, and buildup. Cocoa butter and olive oil help condition as you cleanse, keeping your hair softer than you've ever experienced. I've always had really good experiences with using clay on my hair, so this experience was no different. When I applied the clay to my hair and I was detangling, it was fairly easy, even though my face looks distressed. At this point, I just rinsed all the clay out of my hair. I made sure to rinse thoroughly so I wouldn't leave any clay left. And by the time I was done with that, I had only took 8 minutes. 8 minutes for that entire process, and I love the results. My curls were popping, okay? My curls never popped this much, and it was feeling soft too. Not only that, I have a dandruff problem, and my roots were completely clean. Once I rinsed all that clay out, my hair was squeaky clean. It even had a squeaky clean feel without being dry. So next we're going to move on to step 2, the Moisture Infusion Styling Cream, and it is a moisturizer, styling cream, and a heat protectant all in one. This product is thick yet light and creamy, and also it has a very delicious fruity smell. Step 3 is the Divine Shine Moisture Lock and Frizz Fighter, and it is a hot oil treatment, frizz fighter, moisture lock sealant, and a finishing oil all in one. This is a very light oil, as you can see, and it also has a very beautiful fragrance as well, which I love in my hair products because I love for my hair to smell good. This is where I start my timer back up. I had spent 8 minutes already on washing it, so now I'm going to utilize the rest of the time to twist my hair. I'm just going to do a basic twist out. First, I'm going to start by applying the styling cream to my damp hair, and then I'm going to take the oil and I'm going to apply that to my hair as well, focusing more on the ends because I wanted to seal the ends. From there, I'm just going to twist my hair in chunky twists all over my head. While I'm doing that, I'm just going to tell you a little bit more about these products. What I love about these products is that they're all multi-use. Every single last one of them you can use for multiple things. The Moisture Infusion Styling Cream claims to stop breakage and shedding while kicking your curls into high gear. With loads of coconut oil, sunflower oil, and shea butter, and vitamin E, dryness and heat damage won't stand a chance. As for the Divine Shine Moisture Lock and Frizz Fighter, it claims to stop frizz, brittleness, split ends in their tracks. And also, this super light hot oil treatment defines curls, smooths straight styles, enhances the natural sheen of your hair with absolutely no greasy buildup. Y'all, I could not believe that I finished with time to spare. I actually had 2 minutes left. What? This has never happened to me. I've never finished wash day that quick. The 30-minute wash day challenge was actually a success. This is a total game changer. I am too hyped. So the next day, as I was taking my twist down, my hair felt so soft and the twists were so defined. It also gave it a nice little healthy looking shine to it that I really loved. At this point, I just took an afro pick and picked out the roots because I wanted like an afro kind of messy look, but the curls were so defined that it was going to give it a little bit of uniformity. And here are the finished results. And this is just absolutely gorgeous. I definitely recommend this product. Definitely recommend this to women who are always on the go, whether you're a busy working woman or you're a busy mother. This could really come in handy for when you need to have those wash days but you can't take a lot of time to do them, because these products are actually great. Like, they actually work really well on your hair, and it also speeds up the dreaded process of wash day. This line I used in particular was for type 4 hair, but they also offer a product line for type 3 hair. All the links will be down below, so if you would like to get yours, go check it out. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.